Hello everyone. Phil Carrick here from redchilidigital.com, and it's a bit of a weird video today, but I think you're going to enjoy this if you don't already know how to do it. There's the disclaimer. So again, with consulting with clients over the past couple of weeks, whenever I show clients this and an easy way to basically find any color digitally online. Now, what do I mean by that? I mean by getting a hexadecimal code, which is unique to that color, and being able to duplicate it on any of your other digital assets. Okay, it'll maybe be a little bit more apparent in a minute. So say for example, if we go over to my website, Red Chili. Okay, so say for example, I wanted to find the exact color. It's loading a bit slow. Okay, so I wanted to find the exact color of anything. Okay, so let's just say, look, I want to find the exact color of my shirt. Okay, so say I want to do a branding campaign and I want to do some social media posts, but I want them all to be in the same color as my shirt. Okay, so this is what you do. Number one, okay, to get the color of this shirt, either you can have the image saved or you can select a screen capture tool. I use Snagit by TechSmith. So if you just bear with me, there we go. It's called Capture now. Sorry. So if we just, so I'm just gonna grab a little bit of my shirt there, okay, and I'm just gonna save that. All right. So shirt, why not? Okay. So again, if you've already got an image that you want to find the color of, or something within that image, that's fine. That's fine. You don't need to screenshot. Okay, so you know, again, you could do that with anything. You could do it with my logo. If I wanted to find that particular shade of red in the logo, or that type of green here, no problem. Okay, so then what you do is you go over. Let's go to Canva. Okay, don't worry, you don't need to do this, but I just want to show you if I was creating a social media post. So if I go up here, Canva's just it's a fabulous free tool if you're not aware of it, where you can basically build images and presentations and infographics and flipping everything. It's brilliant. Okay, so I'm just going to go up here, create a design. I'm going to go to Facebook posts. As you can see, the dimensions are exactly the right size for a fully optimized Facebook post, so you get the prime real estate. Okay, so if you can, I would use Canva rather than just slapping up any image in Facebook or LinkedIn or Instagram, whatever. Okay, you can do the same for Instagram. But anyway, we're just going to click Facebook post. I'm going to show you what I mean here by getting the hexadecimal code, and just so we can apply it to this image that we're going to create. So I'm just going to select this one here. So say I wanted to create a testimonial image that I'm going to put on Facebook, on Instagram, and all sorts of places here. But I want the yellow to be the yellow of my shirt. Okay, that's my branding. All right, so next, I just wanted to show you Canva, okay, so we can apply what we're talking about. But to find the actual hexadecimal code, this is what you need to do. You go to a website called Pixlr, Pixlr, Pixlr.com. Now, if you know an easier way of doing this, brilliant, crack on. But this is the way I do, Pixlr.com. And you click on Pixlr E, Advanced Photo Editor. Okay, and we're going to open the image. Now, as you can see, I've got a few images there, but we're going to open the image, or in this case, I'm going to open the screenshot of my shirt. So there's my shirt there. So let's just open that. So as you can see, there's my shirt there. Okay, so this is what you do inside of Pixlr. It's dead easy. Okay, on the left hand side, and you can see here you've got two colors. This is the foreground color. This is the background color. Now we're wanting to change this color to the color of the shirt. So what you do is you click on this picker tool, this little eye drop, okay, and can you see as you hover over it, it sort of picks the colors up in that little speech bubble. Yes, I'm over black, I'm over my face there. Okay, not as tanned as I should be, but anyway. Okay, but maybe even if I wanted, you know, the little buttonholes of my shirt. Can you see if I hover over it, it's changing color. But anyway, I'm just going to click on my shirt. So let's click the collar here. All right, so all you do is you just click once, and can you see it's changed in here? This is the exact color of the collar of my shirt. So all you do, you just click once on this, and there's your code. There's your hexadecimal code. Ta-da! How cool is that? Okay, so all we do, we just copy it. Okay, and then I would put it into a notepad or something. So you've always got it. All right, and then we go back over to our Canva thingy. All right, let's just move myself up here. Okay, and then, all right, now it might be quite hard to notice the change because we're already on yellow. Okay, but all we're going to do is we're just going to click on this, the color, and instead we're going to paste our hexadecimal code in here, and watch it change the color. Okay, so we'll just put it there, and there you go. I thought my shirt was a bit lighter, but no, in actual fact that is the color. Okay, so we just put it in there. That's it. So that's the color. Okay. Is it? Oh yeah, it's about right. Yeah, it's about right. So, you know, again, if you wanted to lighten up the color, you can do that, and you can just move it around here. Okay, maybe you want it a wee bit lighter. Okay, we can cancel. It's probably because of that shading actually. So if we go down here, that's probably a bit better actually. So again, just click once on it. Oh, it's still about the same color. So we'll just click on here. It's changed slightly. So we'll copy that, we'll go back in here, click once on it, click up here, and put the hexadecimal code in. There you go, that's a bit, and you just click from your search because then it picks up the exact color here. Bingo. Okay, and then, so, and again, you know, if there was anything else, so if we upload, so file, open image, let's see what else. Right, so there's a Facebook post a Facebook cover that I had done. So if I wanted to get the exact color of this yellow here, again you just click anywhere on it, click, okay, and then click on here. That's a little bit brighter, isn't it? So we'll grab that. We'll go back over to Canva, click once on it, click in here. Paste in there, click on it. That's a little bit brighter, isn't it? Okay, so that there is the exact color. The exact color, honestly, it's just this, it's brilliant. It's so clever, isn't it? So again, you know, if you're getting things designed, if you're getting a logo designed, for example, you could send that hexadecimal code to your designer and say, hey, look, I want it in this color. And then there's no to-ing and fro-ing. That's the exact color. So hopefully you found this interesting. If you have, just let me know in the comments below. That'll keep me motivated to create more of these videos. So appreciate your time today. Have a great day.